Today I'm working with this adhesive, clear, transparent paper that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the seahorse that I also grabbed at the Dollar Tree. It came in a package of 6 or 8, and I'm going to trace it onto my paper. I also am going to do a mermaid tail that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to trace that onto my paper as well. Once traced, I'm going to cut them out with a pair of scissors. And the key is you kind of want images that don't have a lot of detail to them. I found these bottles at Target for $5. There was 3 of them. I like them. They have 3 different shapes. And one of them I'm going to put the seahorse adhesive on. And then I found this glass candle holder, and I'm adding the mermaid tail to that. You do want to be gentle with this adhesive. I'm going to be using sea glass from Crayon, and I'm going to spray all my bottles outside. This was very easy to work with, and I love the outcome. You immediately want to remove your adhesive paper from your glass. I took my seahorse bottle and I took these gold, they were just like glass little gems that you can pick up at the Dollar General in the vase section. And it just allowed my seahorse to really show. I took some white rope from the Dollar Tree and wrapped it around the neck of the bottle. I took my 2 plain bottles and I found these stickers at the Dollar Tree. They are actually glass stickers, and I put one on each bottle. I thought these were really pretty. They kind of had that coastal vibe to them, and I loved it against the blue. And I did add some gilding wax to the top of each bottle, as the bottles did kind of come with a gold tone around the top, so I was just like returning it to that look. I really did like the gold with the blue. The mermaid tail glass I filled with some seashells. I don't know why I didn't show that, but you'll see it in the final picture. And there you go. Now you have these nice coastal bottles as a decor, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.